Akmeshit Street starts from Sarayshek Street and crosses Din Muhammad Kunayev, Dostik, Siganak, Almaty, Giri and Janibek Khan streets. Its length is 5,607 meters. Akmeshit is the fortress which was located in the spot of modern Kızılar'da city. The fortress was built in 1817. As scientists, historians claim it was projected by Kokand ruler Omar Khan. There, 50 adobe houses, 2 mosques, storage facilities for medicine and ammunition, several sums were located. Akmeshit was renamed to Kızılar'da in 1925. Kızılar'da then was the capital of Kazakhstan till 1929. National Academy Library, State Archive, Diplomat Hotel and Bayterek Monument are all located alongside this street. Bayterek is a unique architectural object of the capital. Its height is 97 meters, diameter 27 meters. The atrium of Bayterek is going down for 4.5 meters underground. From there, one can lift up to the upper floor and find her or himself inside the glass sphere with a panoramic view on the city's left bank.